You're watching F5. We're at Info Security Europe 2023. We are at the XL London, in London actually. I'm here all week. We are at stand F20 here, so you would come through the S2 entrance into here. And right now I'm actually joined by James Devlin, Sales Director for NTT in UK&I.
Good morning, how are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, very well. Thank you for allowing me the opportunity to chat with you this morning.
Absolutely. NTT, huge partner of F5's. We've been working with you guys for a long time. I've had a couple of chats with other NTT folks actually, but maybe you can give us a little bit of a rundown on NTT.
Yeah, so NTT is a huge organisation, 330,000 employees globally in over 60 countries, $108 billion revenue business. So we've certainly made our stamp globally, right? I look after a team in the UK&I business, and what we try and drive out in the UK&I business is real client intimacy, and then couple that with our partner ecosystem, which F5 is a huge part of, to really drive at better solutions to overcome those business challenges our clients are facing.
So one of those business challenges lately as well, I know you guys have been focusing on this, is app modernization, and that takes a real skill set to be able to achieve as well, but I know NTT has a pretty deep bench to be able to achieve that kind of stuff.
Yeah, so we have a huge amount of specialist and technical resource to call on in our organisation to work with our clients to really get to the heart of what the challenge is and what they're looking to achieve. But we do that alongside key partners like F5. I think in terms of that app modernisation, we'd come at it from a consultative first approach, so we'd work with the client to really understand that challenge and then look at putting steps in place along a roadmap to meet those objectives.
Fantastic. As far as like an F5 partnership perspective, worked with you guys for a long time. You guys have a lot of specialists around F5 and built practices around that?
Yeah, so we have dedicated resources within the organisation that are F5 specific, and also we then work with your own sales and technical teams to make sure that we're doing right by the customer in terms of the solution. I think in terms of our collaboration and partnership over many years, we've been on fairly similar journeys, NTT and F5, so we've got really great synergies. And what that allows us to do is to go into the market and have some really compelling conversations talking about our own business transformations as well. So we have credibility individually, but also together.
Oh. With as big of an organization as you guys going through your own digital transformation journey and app modernization journey, I guess you guys have had a lot to learn from and bring that to customers.
Yeah, so we like talking about our own journey because it's something that we're really passionate about. You know, the part of the business that I work within NTT Group, so NTT Data Inc., you know, we was pulling together 35 plus organisations into one. So you can imagine some of the challenges that the teams have faced over kind of the last 18 to 24 months to get to one place. Are we all the way there? No, by our own admission, we've still got steps to take, but it's important that we show the progress that we've made over that period as well.
I mean, really no one's ever fully there, are they?
No, I think you're right, yeah, there's always that next iteration, that next change, that next challenge, but I think it's working with key people to make sure that you understand when those challenges are coming and you address them head on and have a plan to meet those demands.
Absolutely, and we are at Info Security Europe. When you guys build out app modernization, I mean, hopefully with F5, you guys are able to build in security into the app modernization?
Yeah, so I lead one of the particular verticals. So I was talking about client intimacy earlier. So I look after the retail vertical, which is really strong between NTT and F5. And we've done some great stuff with some large retailers here in the UK between our two organisations. We're looking at not only the app modernisation, we're also seeing challenges in terms of voice transformation and data centre modernisation. And it's about giving the client that real end-to-end view of how we can overcome those challenges, but more importantly, how they interlink as well.
Absolutely, awesome. Well, thank you for joining me today, James. On behalf of myself and F5, DevCentral Community, we are here at InfoSec Europe 2023. Come visit us again at booth stand F20. We'll be here all week. Thank you very much, James.
Thank you very much for the opportunity and enjoy InfoSec.
Awesome. Bye for now.